Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to get the Microsoft Teams app for free. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So here I am on Microsoft's website, and I'm going to include a link to this webpage in the description below on YouTube in case you would like to go there to download Microsoft Teams. So the first thing you'll want to do with Teams is create a Microsoft account if you don't already have one. So whether you have one or not, you can start with the sign in button right here, and you can either log in or create your new Microsoft account right there. Once you have done that, you can scroll down here and click this button that says Download Teams. Now you may have a work or school account and you could download the app over here, but most of you probably are going to download this version right here under Teams for Home. So when you click that button, the app will download and you will have the desktop version of Microsoft Teams that you can start using right away. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Now there are some reasons to upgrade to the paid version of Microsoft Teams, and some of those include longer meeting durations, more storage, and the ability to record and transcribe a meeting. We go over that and more out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.